So I'm going to show you how to make the green seasoning for our oven jerk chicken. So we're going to blend up some onions, scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, garlic, and ginger. You can use a food processor or a blender, or you can chop these ingredients by hand, but I'm using what I have. So this is our green seasoning, and it has scallions, onions, scotch bonnet peppers, ginger, and garlic. And I also add some olive oil to the mixture. So for oven jerk chicken, we're going to use garlic powder, onion powder, jerk season, all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, or green seasoning that we blend up, and also some powdered jerk seasoning. And this consists of seasoned salt, all-purpose seasoning, pepper seeds, pimento seeds, and dry herbs. So we've cleaned our chicken and washed it with vinegar. So now we're going to add our seasoning. So we're going to add a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, and then we're going to add our powdered jerk seasoning, our green seasoning, then we're going to add some onion powder, and then our garlic powder. Basically a tablespoon of both. Then we're going to add our Eaton's jerk seasoning, about 2 tablespoons because we want it spicy. We also added a whole scotch bonnet pepper because it is jerk chicken, so we want it spicy. Now we're going to go in with our hands. Be mindful that it has a lot of spices, so ensure that you wear a glove, or if you don't have a glove, ensure after you finish rubbing in all the seasoning, you wash your hands properly with soap and bleach and water. And for this oven jerk chicken, we're going to only use legs, thighs, and wings. And then we're going to let this marinate overnight. You can season it and let it marinate for probably 24 hours, 48 hours. It could have been placed in the oven now, but we're not going to do it tonight. We're going to do it tomorrow so that all the seasoning is soaked right through and straight to the bone of the chicken.